It's day 29. Mr. Jeff Humby is helping me out. He has whipped up some amazing wild-caught Chinook salmon here, and that's going in the sport on a beautiful morning, pure blue sky sunlight. Okay, so we're doing some recipe making on the GoSun Go.
Gonna see how these are coming.
Yeah, it's been about here.
Here's a little song I wrote. You might want to sing it note
There you
for
go. Oh, look at that braided roll. Wow, that's pretty. Nice job, GoSun Go.
Thank you.
In every life we have some.
Okay, it's been 25 minutes. We're gonna check on the salmon. It's looking pretty much done. I like it when it's kind of, you know, fresh and soft, and I don't want an overcooked piece of fish. So what do you think? Done?
Looking good, really good.
All right, so we'll get those out of the sun just by simply closing up the reflectors.
Yeah, keep it warm.
That's the launch. And then you want to check on the other components. This is cranking at 4.
All right.
So this is the cream spinach, and then the carrots. Oh yeah, yep, those are done. Cool, man, we got lunch.
Don't worry. Be happy.
I feel like the celebrity today. Look at that plate. As you can see, lunch was brilliant. And for dinner, these stuffed peppers were a huge hit. My belly is so full and happy right now. He's just skipping around looking for solar cooked food. He's onto his scent trail. Look at that. Bang! I've been playing around with this little tweak on the GoSun Grill, and I got it as hot as I've ever seen it. Basically, we're expanding the reflector profile a little, really opening it up. Look at this, pinned at 9. 88. We're gonna rip this open and shoot it, and you'll see like 560. At the same time on the outside, it's 83 degrees. So we've got 560 degrees on the inside and 85 on the outside. Okay, the oil looks like it might be getting a little too hot. Oh yeah, and I'm gonna see if I can't crack an egg one-handed. I don't know if you can really tell, but let's get that oil out of the tube. So the GoSun Grill's definitely got a lot of heat potential, but we're gonna give it even more with the new Turbo Accelerator, so stay tuned. I'm gonna call that done. Still frying outside of the grill. Minutes later, the temperature gauge went down to about 5.5, and they're getting a little plumped up. Those went in at 210. It's 218 now. We're back up close to 6. A little bit longer. Okay, it's been 10 minutes, and the honeybees have rolled in. It's been 14 minutes, and I'm gonna go ahead and say we are done. Yeah, you can see the caramelization, the browning.
Still warm and delicious. Good appetit.
A little.
Looks delicious. A little crunchy.
Then 14 minutes? Yeah. Since I had preheated the grill so hot, that actually was a little too much. We had some oils in the bottom of the pan. So, some learning there, folks.
Don't worry.
A big thank you going down towards the western sky as we approach the equinox. I'm just patching holes here in the on the drive down the lane. Okay, ending a great day of experiments, working on some R&D that I'm not able to expose at this point. But this was a potato bake. We love using potatoes because their consistency. There's 3.5 pounds of potatoes. Actually, let me see if the probe is still inside one of them. Reading 110. So there's something there. And for my midnight snack, the old trusty hard-boiled egg.